everyone, welcome back with the last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper. Well, no, not in today's newspaper. Today's newspaper is September the 16th, but in the yesterday's newspaper, because in today's newspaper we have no extra Sudokus. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. And the yesterday's newspaper, we have one puzzle left, and it's a Tectonic with one star. And this will be a number. This will be number 3404. 3404. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Printed digits. Should be a 1 star. So let's get started. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box, always a 1. Alright, dual boxes. Do we see here a dual box? I see here a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple box. I see here the triple box. The 3 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark those. Okay. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then? No quadra boxes. Then the following stage is to recognize some figure or shapes, construction or structures, whatever you name it. And the first figure or shape is the L shape. We have a L shape here. Let me draw this. The L shape. Remember, if you see an L shape, this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following figure. How about this? Oh, we have more L shapes here. So this box has the same number as that box. Then. How about this shape? The shape here. Remember, if you see this shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, more of this kind of shape. Let me draw this. Okay. Now, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Here. Yeah, this shape. If you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the T shape. Oh, here we have another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. The T shape. We have 2 T shapes. Yeah. Okay. T shape. Remember, if you see a T shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Alright, here another T shape. This box has the same number as that box. And it's connected with also with the other box. And this box has the same number as that box. Okay, for the T shape, more other shapes? No, those are the shapes that you need to recognize for solving this puzzle. There are 4 shapes that you need to recognize, but there are more. In this puzzle we have only 4, but there are more that you need to recognize. But in this puzzle we have 4. Alright, then the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. These 2 boxes surround a 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. This box is connected with that box, so we have 2 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Okay. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. No, 4 and 1. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. Okay. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yeah, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 2. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, those 3 boxes surround the 3, can it be a 3? So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair should be the numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, let me mark those. This box is also connected with 1 and a 4. Well, it cannot be a 4 because we have in the T area space, here shape, another 4. So it should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, will be also 1. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Okay. This box cannot be A1. Those two boxes cannot be A1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, wait, yeah, if I place a 1 here, wait, yeah, this box can be a 1, yeah. So if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 cannot be here, yeah. So the 1 should be there. And now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other pair should be the 4 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 5. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 5. Then I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this T shape area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, it can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic. I like this one, and it's faster than 50 minutes. I've told you for 1 star puzzle I need 15 to be faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel. Yes, go to my channel and subscribe, because I have a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binary, playlist for the letter Sudoku, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.